6 ways to deal with the upheaval at work. If you've ever had things fall apart at work, you're already quite familiar with upheaval at work. It happens every time you get a new boss, or they start making significant policy changes. Though let's face it, even those small changes in the office can create tension and make it difficult to get things done. Dealing with upheaval at work isn't hard though, so long as you keep your head. The next time things get complicated, try these tried and true methods to get you back on track. Stop. Sometimes the smartest thing you can do in a crisis is absolutely nothing at all. You need to stop and think, as an emotional reaction is going to cost you in the long run. Start by taking several deep breaths and think about what to do next. Not to mention you'll win some bonus points if management notices you're the one keeping calm and acting rationally. Stay positive. Getting caught up in the negative isn't going to help anything. You'll only spiral down into a cycle of blame and complaints, ending on a lot of finger-pointing or negative self-talk. This is the time to pull out a Pollyanna attitude. Sure, things went wrong, but if you can keep your optimism, you're more likely to find the opportunity in all of this, which is worlds more productive, not just for you, but for your coworkers as well. Learn from the situation. Speaking of opportunity, any upheaval is fodder for a learning experience if you let it become one. Step back and look at the whole situation rationally. Look for the lessons, and then ask yourself how you can apply them to prevent the next time. Talk to your coworkers. At work, you have a rich resource just waiting to be used. Draw on the talents and abilities of those around you. By banding together and brainstorming, you're more likely to come up with a viable solution than you ever would be working alone. Eye on the prize. You have a particular goal in working where you do. Remember this goal now. What can you do at this moment which will put you back on track toward your goal? How can the upheaval maybe benefit your long-term goal? Now might be the time to act. Expect disaster. Well, of course things are going to go wrong sometimes. Situations change, and in any workplace, there are many moving parts to keep things going smoothly. By being prepared for the things which could go wrong, you can head off a lot of what might be an upheaval in the making.